recorded in a while. That's not why I said that. It's not. It's all. What are we doing today?
We are on our way to pick up another R34 GTR.
Oh my god. J Motorsports needs to change their logo.
The GTR logo.
GTR Motorsports. No.
Kidding. Don't put that in there.
So we have the trailer in the back. My car has been down for a month. It's been a good month, but
it's time to get it running.
People are calling for it.
People are wanting the cars up everywhere.
They don't want me, they want the car. This is a nice truck. Look at that. This is the owner of J Motorsports.
What?
Truck.
Literally, he's home right now.
So yeah, basking in the skylines in the shop.
Where's Okini? Let's pick up Okini's car too.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ricky texted me.
What is it?
He's like, I've been so sick.
Yeah. I'll be back at some point.
Yeah.
He'll get over it in like a month. It is pretty bad.
Yeah, because yours lasted a month.
It's pretty bad. Now I'm good. Like, I was around Armand when he was sick. Now I'm good. I don't get sick anymore. Just, I don't know.
Dang it, I had the car mount. The suction cup. I'm not putting it on his glass though. Alright, so we're here because the sensor's dead. We pretty much have to take the belt out. We're putting the new trigger kit in. We're gonna film some of the vlog stuff and hopefully get some content, a bit of an update. Hopefully it's on me. Okay, cool. So, got my hair. But we're gonna have something here. I'm just gonna do a quick show and hopefully we do something cool with it. But, alright, here's the car. It's been a while, almost a month, that we haven't driven it, so hopefully my stuff's not blown out, but here we go.
I'ma keep winning, winning. I'ma keep winning, winning. I'ma keep winning, winning. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself.
Yeah, you gon' need 100 men, 100 scopes, 100 cans, just for you to watch what I'm doing under the sun again. God-given gift, MCs doing the running man. If you want me to get it poppin', may cost 100 pence. Yeah, what I supply is always in the man. The throne is mine, take that. It ain't a high five, got the upper hand. I'm too real, can't fake that. Who you know putting fear in them like this? You a vampire, still suck when you bite this. Lord forgive me for my sins, I'm feeling righteous. But they been next to me to show me I might just. They didn't think I could do it, I had to demonstrate how the flow is so heavenly, keeping demons straight. Who they fooling? I showed them the jig is up again. When I asked them who was the best, they get this to stuttering.
I got you getting out, dude.
I know.
Yeah, I saw you were acting.
Finally. See the visor?
It looks so good. $1,000 sticker. How much for the visors? $250. It's back though. Smells like fresh paint.
I know. That's the hood, the vents.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, you sprayed. Oh, you took them off.
Yeah, I took them off and then painted it.
Yeah.
Because usually it's just kind of like silver.
Yeah.
I was like, man.
Yeah, the black looks good.
Yeah, I want to black.
Yeah.
Paint the grill.
It looks good. This is insane. Are you building a motor? Maybe.
That's the plan.
One day.
Maybe.
We need to go to car shows together in 26. So.
Yeah.
You've been wait. When did you finish?
Last night.
Last night?
Yeah.
Oh, so you just started driving today?
Yep. So,
there you go.
but the course.
Uh oh.
The odometer and tachometer won't work.
Why?
For some reason, I don't know.
Is that how it was when you got it?
I think,
Francis.
if I remember, yes. He's acting up. Well, I already bought the Haltech DC10
Oh, okay, yeah.
mount. So.
Hey, you're not gonna need it. I don't look at it in the GTR. I don't know. Do they have a Haltech? They have a Haltech for
Yeah.
Evo?
For
Nice.
Evo.
Or are you gonna do 2500? Yeah, 20. Oh, they plug and play.
The Nexus.
Yeah, that's nice. That's cool,
I
bro.
want that rotational idle, you know what I mean?
Spoiled.
So everybody thinks
It's fast.
but it's just the look.
Who cares, man? It looks so good.
Just for the looks, but got sauce. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, but it's not like you don't have a fast Evo. No, that motor's not existing anymore.
Not
Oh no. That's so cool, man.
Wait for the OG
Wait, are you what?
the OG for the wheels. T30.
Oh, the stickers? Yeah.
Well, literally, Sensei. That's
Yeah.
I ordered the blue one, but I ordered the black one first. But we'll see.
Right. You're keeping the amber? I like the amber. Or are you gonna do clear?
I have clear.
You have clear? Ah, okay. You just gotta put them on?
I tried it, but I don't like it.
Yeah.
I don't know. I might change it.
Yeah, I mean you have it as extra or something.
Well, when I bought the headlight, it come with it. But I bought this.
Oh,
This brand
and
new.
it comes with. So they ever come amber, or is that aftermarket?
No, they're both OEM. I think the other ones came from Evo 6.
Is that glass? Is that headlight glass?
No,
Oh, plastic.
plastic.
Yeah.
I wish it's glass,
Yeah.
but and then see how the amber is, kind of like it pops out.
No, it looks good on the white. The blue though looks really good.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a yellow caliper.
Yeah.
That's it.
Match the sticker and.
Oh yeah, I don't have a fog light anymore.
The cover.
Whatever.
I got that on the B-roll.
Now I got fog light delete. OEM.
Wait, let's see the inside.
I don't know, he says dirty.
I did. Well, I already opened your doors.
It's literally like just finished, not even 24 hours.
Yeah.
But I keep looking for the fender liner because I kind of want to be, still OEM-ish.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Stay tuned, guys.
Yeah. We're filming movies now.
Like
Our vlogs are gonna be movies.
what's that name again?
Which one?
The Talk to Drip guy, Han.
Oh yeah, it's every episode is gonna be a movie now.
He's gonna be a director too. So.
Yeah.
The green one.
Oh yeah.
Well, I think they just came out of Haltech for it.
Yeah.
Too much money, man. Don't buy Evo. Buy GTR.
But okay, that's even worse.
Buy.
That's even worse.
Think I should put a tint on it?
I'm 50-50, but if you don't like people looking inside or whatever, or you want people to look inside, then
But the thing is like the tint on the passenger side now, that's tint already. But I think that came from the actual factory. I don't know.
you think the glass is like
The glass
is dark.
already. But
Yeah.
on that side, I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah, because when you search it on Google, a lot of Evo has those, like, that's the only.
Yeah, it is darker. Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, I don't know, it looks good. We'll get people in the comments to ask, or to answer. Should we tint the rest of the car? Well, that's kind of cool because you can kind of see both of them here.
Yeah.
So
So I'm debating.
we can have people decide.
Yeah. Thinking if I'm gonna tint all the way around with the same as my Tundra.
Yeah.
If not, just leave it as it is. All this sticker from inside gonna be gone.
What? Oh yeah. Like the OEM?
Yeah, and that four-wheel drive sticker, that's expensive.
finally getting the trigger fixed correctly. We got the water, there's a water pump leak on the tiny bolt right there. We'll get that finally. Getting it done right. Instead of, you know, you see it? It's that right there. Yeah. You saw it? Yeah, dude. And it's like, it's not even that bad, but yeah. But it didn't bother me. But now that, you know, we're getting all this out of the way. Yeah. Crazy. And my harness kind of looks like a rat's nest.
It's okay.
But I did it and I know where everything is. I know, you gotta change your Instagram name now, cause
That's the problem I have.
Subaru Master. No,
I'm not doing that. I can't say what I was thinking, but
yeah.
At least I don't drive out back.
Oh no. Blooper reel. This will be the blooper reel. My voice is cracked. Oh no.
At least you get the coolant smell.
Ah, that's true. He's wearing my coolant right now.
That would have been a big one.
This is the first time I have filmed my car with this gear. It's been in the garage for a month. Look at all that room. I don't have that luxury. Is there a way to run no radiator on motors? Hey, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
In the back, on the glass, off the glass or something, right?
Just cut the trunk out and like make like a bracket for it to go in the back.
Why, we're destroying a GTR.
I mean,
You already have.
I mean, if we're gonna destroy it, I mean,
You already have. Oh no. Alright, taking out the LS alternator. Man, it's been a while since it's been taken off, bro. Boom. Is that oil? Or what is that? Or is that just the light?
that's just the light.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I was like,
yeah.
what is that?
No, don't scare me.
Oh,
with
okay.
that.
There you
That's
go.
just the light.
You
Yeah.
see?
Yes.
I was like, I already know where all my oil leaks are.
There we go. Now it's moving.
There you go. There you go.
Alright, cool. I can just steer
Cool.
it there. So
Yeah, it's a pain with that plenum, bro.
it's all good. Get the water pump off now.
All right, PRP. This is my third sensor. Send me another sensor, please, for the free. What? Finally get all my crap fixed. Bye. Maybe we'll have a running car tomorrow.
Yeah.
Have a GTR running. Yeah. I'll bring a sensor by tomorrow. Dang, it's been a month? I haven't driven that thing in a month. I know, you're like, you're crazy. I'd be driving. We did. We did, dude. We did. When we finished, literally, like, dude.
I want to ride with it.
Oh, I got you. Well, I mean, we're not going to be flinging belts anymore, so I just got to be careful. We're just going to do anamorphic light play, you know what I mean?
Dude, even the front right now is crazy. If you guys look outside, it's even insane. Like, the cars in here is crazy, the cars outside seem crazier.